if you want to insert your SIM card into Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. In order to eject the SIM tray, we will have to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. I have mine over here. So once you have it, you need to put it into this hole. So let's do so. And then you want to use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it slightly pops out, you can use your fingernails or fingers to remove it from the phone. There we go. And now in here we have our SIM card slots. We have SIM card slot number 1, and on the reverse side we have number 2. So now we're just gonna insert our SIM cards into the phone, into the SIM tray actually. Just match the shape. As you can see here, we have the cut part. And then on the reverse side, we're gonna do exactly the same thing. So if you have 2 SIM cards, you can actually use them quite easily. Make sure that your SIM cards do not stick out of the SIM tray. They should be fully in. And once you have that done, we can just slide it back into the phone and push it down with your finger and make sure that it is fully in. If it doesn't want to go all the way in, just once again make sure that your cards are properly inserted into the SIM tray. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.